everybody? My name is Dev. I've been a serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. I want to help you improve in this instrument. This is Fretboard Friday, episode 7. We're going to talk about movable dominant 7th chords today on the highest 4 strings. The last couple episodes were about major 7th and minor 7th chords. And I guess for episode 7, it makes sense that the dominant 7th chords would be at what we are looking. So you probably learned to play something like G7 like this. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to use my freeze pedal to hold that still and show you these 3 fingerings that are kind of go-to fingerings for me to use for dominant 7ths that are movable on the higher 4 strings. We'll start with the root on the D string. Looks like that. The root on the B string looks like this. That's the G on the B. And then the root on the G string will look like that. So these 3 shapes obviously don't use any open strings, so we can transpose them into any chord. Let's try that on a D major, or D7, I should say. So with the root on the B, the root on the G, right? Starting to make some sense. And the root on the D. And we can even go an octave higher with the root on the B again. Do I have enough frets? I think I do. Barely get up to the root on the G. So these 3 shapes you can use all the time. Clearly, you don't have to use them to arpeggiate, you know. That does work, but they work great for funky stuff as well. So if you want to learn more about movable chords, check out my Guitar Chord Survival Kit PDF. It's free for everyone to sign up on my email list. There's a link in the description. I post a short video like this every Fretboard Friday and a longer video every Tuesday. Hope to see you soon. Cheers. Keep jamming.